Hello everyone. In this video we are going to create a dot painted bookmark. Let me tell you how I got this board. I went to an art shop and asked for a chart paper, and I told them the purpose is to create bookmarks. They said take this mount board, madam, which is good enough for making a bookmark. So that entire mount board was 21 inches by 30 inches. So 21 was divided by 3, and that is the 7 inches here, and that 30 inches was divided as 12, and that's 2.5 inches. So in that one mount board of 21 by 30 inches I got 36 bookmark materials like this. So I took one, used this punching machine, and then created a hole here. So this one board would now cost about some 2 rupees 50 paise in Indian rupees. And here is the tussle that I have. I ordered 50 of them in one pack, and that's about 150 rupees through Amazon. So this one single tussle would now cost about 3 rupees. So these two together is only rupees 5. And I used this particular protractor to draw these circles, and I'm going to create a dot painting in this pattern. So these are all the materials that I used to create the base for a bookmark. I'm going to use this dotting tool and this light brown color to cover the borderline of these circles, and then we'll see what kind of a design we will create. So when we keep tiny dots like this, we need to have a lot of patience so that we can follow the guideline perfectly. There are totally 6 circles. Now I am dotting the second circle. Now I am dotting the third circle here. I am now dotting the fifth circle here. This is the last circle that I am dotting now. So after dotting all the 6 circles, this is how it looks. See, in the intersection part, I'm going to keep a dot in flesh tint color. Now using this dotting tool, I'm going to keep a dot, one at the top and another one at the bottom in all these intersections. Now I'm going to keep a light brown dot on all these places. So I'm going to keep swipes. Now using this tool and this color, I'm going to keep dots on all these places. So I'll just keep one dot here. For all the brown dots, I'm going to keep a flesh tint color dot as well. So using this tool, I'm going to work the dots. Now I'll work the dots here. So now the bookmark painting is ready. I'm going to tie the tassel here. So I already have the brown color tassel to match this bookmark color as well. So the bookmark is ready. I'm sure all of you like this, and thank you for watching.